Hi, my name is Ouellette, and I'm an evolutionary biology as well as a public health student here at the University of Arizona. I'm applying for the Biomedical Research Abroad Vistas Open grant, and it's conducted here at the University of Arizona. And it's a grant that allows me as an undergraduate researcher to do research in any lab in the world. So what do I study? Here at the University of Arizona with Dr. Felicia Goodrum, I study human cytomegalovirus, or HCMV. It's one of the 9 herpes viruses. So, scary, herpes. Not exactly. Kind of one of the factors that we study is latency, or how HCMV is able to persist in the human host. And so latency means that the virus is undetectable by the human immune system and able to continue to infect human cells. Dr. Felicia Goodrum actually has a collaborator in Germany named Dr. Michael Nevels, and I have the opportunity to do research in his lab and study the epigenetics of HCMV, or how the DNA is organized in kind of an overall structure. And there in his lab, I'll be able to continue to elucidate the mystery of latency in HCMV. So what's study abroad going to do for me? I'm going to immerse myself in German culture and society and learn something new about the German people as well as myself. And maybe I'll learn a new language in the process. Je peux parler français couramment y también practico español. And maybe I'll get to learn German. Also, who doesn't want some of that German beer and strudel? I know I do. And in addition to exploring the new cuisine, I'll be able to become a more autonomous person and push the limits to my independence. And that'll help me challenge myself personally and professionally to become not only a more mature person, but also become more mature in my professional life. And then I'll be able to take adventures, not only within Germany and within the new avenues of science, but also maybe in other places in Europe. And they'll help me in my personal growth, maturity, as well as achieving and setting new personal goals. Also, I'll be able to help myself become a better communicator of science and also my critical thinking skills in science. And that, in addition to the study abroad, will help me finish my degree. And last but not least, and it's mostly the more significant of all of these reasons, not only for my life, but for others, we'll be able to reach new goals in science that'll allow us to help solve the mystery of latency, which will help immunocompromised patients around the world. CMV is a deadly disease for those cancer patients, transplant patients, and AIDS patients who are immunocompromised. And by understanding latency in CMV, we'll be able to save lives.